So you find us on our way to Surrey Classics meet at Cobham Services. First time we've been to this one. I've got my son Jensen with me, who's going to be hopefully adding to the channel as we go on. We're constantly on Snapchat, Matt. Of course. He's on Snapchat, bruv. We're just sitting here discussing how to open one of these videos and what we're meant to say, because we're not very professional. Perhaps you should do it. I want to do it. Well, why can't you do it? All we keep looking to ourselves is what would Adam C do? A lot better than us. Oh, a milk float. You want to do it? I don't want to do it. What does Adam C say? Be chilly too. Hello. The answer to that, but anyway, we're currently sitting in traffic on the M25, and hopefully we'll be there soon. Catch up with you then. So we've arrived at Cobham Services. Cold and quiet. People are slowly sneaking in. Looking pretty mint. 86, 87 on a D. Lovely. Mark IV Cortina. Well, it could be the Mark V actually, saying that. Set of 4-spoke comps on it. Something a bit modern for this meet. Mark V RS maybe? Lovely old 5 Series Beamer though. Start a run here, Mark 1 Escort, Mexico decals. Some massive spotlights on the front of it. Sort of thing I need. Might be able to see where I'm going. Do love an old Mark 1. Can't tell whether they're decals, I think they're black, they look like matte black. Some big old mini lights on there, that's for sure. Got Mark 1 Tina. Not sure if this was the one making all the noise just a minute ago, but got the cage in there, so he's keen. Keen for a bit of action with a roll cage in there. That is clean. Not entirely sure what colour that is. It's obviously a wrap. Green, chrome? Chrome green? Did you say chrome green? Some big old wheels and arches. Apparently it's been ruined. Can't say I agree with that, but looks very much improved to me. Mark III Granada Scorpio. And this thing is gorgeous. Hard to see in this light, I know, but just been speaking to the owner. He's just had it back from a lot of work, rear arches, service work, other bits and pieces, but it is absolutely mint. It has got a McDonald's cup on there, but it is absolutely mint. One Tina. I think this is the one that was being a bit jovial on its way in just a minute ago, but we don't mind that. It's got a console badge on it. Mini lights again. Looks a bit yellowy, doesn't it? It's not white. I love a standard old sort of simple interior like that in those cars. They look brilliant. Bit of a sporty big bore exhaust out the back of it. Hiding probably something quite mental under the bonnet, I'd imagine. This Ford, I think it's an F-150 pickup. Lightning. Did sound a bit like Thunder when it came in. Loving the tyre writing. Who doesn't love a bit of tyre writing? This old Escort 1600 GL Mark III. One of the first on the W actually, although it is missing a back window. Not entirely sure why. She does look like she needs a bit of love, but another slightly late arrival. I do believe that is a hearing aid beige Mordor Mark II. And who doesn't love a bit of hearing aid beige? Brown vinyl roof. Another set of mini lights. They all love the mini lights. Proper gear interior as well, I think. That is gorgeous.
Yeah. Oh, I thought he was going to come.
Traffic woes continue into Cobham. People are taking various strange routes in the entrance to get in here. I don't know whether it's coming in for the meet, but it's definitely nice. Scooby-Doo. Lovely Mark I Escort van. Our second cosy of the evening. Sweet little party box in the back of the cosy. One way of sorting a stereo, I suppose. Just spotted our third cosy of the evening. This one slipped by us. Lovely gold BBS splits. That is one mean looking motor. Quite a cool number plate too. Those wheels are absolutely pinging in this light. That's even better now someone's headlights are on. That does look like a Mark II 4-door. By no means standard. Me and gents are currently playing a game of can you spot the old car headlights? Oh, underglows. He's obviously doing a hell of a lot better than I am, but I think my age is letting me down. So with a hearing aid beige, Ford Orion, 1600 gear. Pretty cool. Mark II in standard unmolested form. Nice to see. Hard to tell what colour it is in this light though. Could be white, could be grey. It's the same reg as the red Mark III that's over in the corner with the back window missing. Which makes me think they might have made them both at the same time, but there is hiding over here a Mark I van we saw come in. Tucked away out the back. Look like Lotus Steels. Banded Lotus Steels on it. Back of the Mark III with the window missing is now being used as a dinner bar, breakfast bar, whatever you want to call it. Don't know whether that's free to take or he's finished. Another Mark II more door. This time in red. Red, terracotta. Can't remember the name of these wheels, but sure FPE Mike's got some of those wheels. I think it might match the outside. I can't tell whether it's orange, brown, terracotta maybe. That's a big word. It's for me anyway. As expected. First one we've seen. Back to another game of Is That Car Old? Going by its headlights.
It's another 1 series.
And it's another 1 series. We are rubbish at this game.
Yeah, I think we are.
Your car looks old, mate. Well, your headlamps do. Oh, it's a rally.
Nice.
Have a closer look at this Peugeot 106 Rally. Look at that. Got the right wheels on it and everything. Looks completely original, as it should be. Another late arrival. Proper rally style Alpha. That is pretty cool. Back in under Audi Quattro.
Oh, really?
Pretty cool. I remember having one of these as a Scalextrics car as a kid. Had a rubber band between the front and rear axles, made it four-wheel drive.
Yeah, I know you got it on camera, mate. Standing in it.
So he's just caught it. Plastic meets metal. Metal wins every time.
Yeah.